Hey guys, good morning. Happy new week, everyone. Happy new week of blessings and favor to us all, to all my lovers, all my beautiful ones, all my great followers, all my fans all over the world. Happy new week to you all. This week is going to be a blessing to us all. Okay, don't worry, keep your worry aside. This week is going to be better than last week. So guys, this is me doing some shopping, so come around, stick around, watch this video from the starting to the end. You are going to enjoy the handy part of this video. So I just went to the supermarket and do some shopping and said let me bring you guys along with me. So this orange, I'm going to do orange juice for my son, for my baby. Yeah, so I bought this full orange to do orange juice for them because my son really love orange juice, and you know he's a baby of 8 months, so there's no need of me going to buy juice for him. So I normally do home orange juice for him myself at home, me and his brother. Yeah, so this is me going around at the supermarket. Let me leave you guys to watch the full video, and don't forget to give me love and like. This is new week, show love guys, show love this new week. Enjoy this video and show love. It's not easy for us to film a content. The only thing we need from you guys is to share love and enjoy the video. Alright guys, good news coming. Don't worry, stay tuned to this channel, you are going to enjoy. Bye guys.
Recipes that taste divine, crafts that blow your mind. Trust her guide, nothing can confine. Sarah, always kind. Exciting, content at your hand. Join her crew across the land. Dance along to her life brand. United we all stand, we all stand. DIY is here to stay. Natural tricks all day. Luxury lifestyle on display. Follow or find your way.